All right, so my email includes the computer login information that you'll use to do lunch duty, but then you'll have to open up Chrome and come to our JMC site. Once you're here, you will choose point of sale, and Jackie's login information is saved, so you'll just be able to log in with her credentials. And once I'm here, we're going to say begin lunch. And so you come up here to type in their lunch numbers. And so you'll type in the number, and then you will hit the / and then enter. And that is putting that through. So I know it went through because I see one person served and so on. If they get just a milk, like kids who bring a sack lunch, let's see if I can just find somebody. That just brings a sack lunch and wants a milk. Don't look at this because it's different on the PC, but you would have you would hit the star and enter for that. So then nothing changed because they didn't actually get a tray. And then some kids will get that extra milk, so I will usually just do their lunch number. So their lunch number, enter in them for lunch, and then come back and do an extra milk as well. So you see we still only have 2. If you accidentally get a wrong kiddo in there, if you have time, you can come and delete them right away. Otherwise, you can always just make note. You just have to come in and say delete, and they're gone. So I'm going to delete all of these since this was practice. And then finally, once you have served everybody, you'll get your total number here, and you'll want to go check that with the kitchen to make sure that it matches what they had. If it didn't, you can let Stacy or I know, and we can go through and watch film to find what kiddo we missed. But hopefully that all makes sense. Really just making sure that, whatever number they tell you in the picture, I know you all know the kids so that it matches up, because sometimes it's really hard to hear and understand them. If you have any other questions at all, please let me know, and I truly appreciate you helping out with lunch duty.